Right, welcome traders, welcome to the next instalment of the story in the markets. Euro, we'll start with this one. So big wave up, pull back, little wave, big wave. Right, so 1, 2, 3, A, B, C correction, D wave. The D wave is normally the stronger wave. Okay, so I am long from the lows here and looking to hold and see if we can move up. Right, more detail. This was higher low. Got resistance coming across the top. Yesterday, well, the last couple of days we got extended from the 8, so we come back to test the 8. We are 2 o'clock Eastern time here, 5 to 7 PM UK time. So equity markets have still got a couple of hours plus to the close, but this is very, very strong. If we can now break, so we've touched the 8 and held it. This is what was needed in a consolidation pattern. On a bullish consolidation pattern, you generally need a pull back, the touch of the 8 before it will go. Okay? So we've had the touch of the 8. Now if we can break 45.50, we could get this D wave. Now obviously we've got to break through this resistance first. If we start to break up through these highs and the story plays out, we've got to get through 147, see if we can get through 148, but let's see if this is the D wave coming. Take it one day at a time, but at the moment, I mean, I did call this in the room about 5 o'clock British summer time, I think. Called a hammer on the major 60-minute support. Okay, so let's just see if this can hold up. Let's see if we can break out. Okay, all the bad news is in. We've got a rate decision on Thursday. Okay, so we've come down, look at this support. We've come down to test this support and test this 8. Now we need to see if we can hold and move back out. Okay, right, pound. Pound is still shaky. It still keeps trying to make higher closes, which it has done. 1, 2, 3, 6 days in a row. We've got higher closes now. Also, you need to check your charts when you come to your screens in a few hours' time. What will that be? That will be 5 o'clock Eastern time. But on the face of it, unless we get some sell-off in that period, this is yet another higher close. It's struggling, isn't it? So certainly no buying decisions there. Pound Aussie dollar. We've had a test of the 8, test this resistance, and so far we've come off. So this was the hammer, this was the stopping bar. So two buying days now. So I just need to see if this is a stopping bar here. The fact we've closed, had a nicer close, decent close on yesterday's action. So 2 days of buying basically. That's what I'm trying to say. Can't get the words out properly. So we need to see if we can break up from 150 tomorrow and then attempt to get to 151.60. And ultimately, I'm looking to see if we can at least get back to the 50 EMA. Alright, let's see how that one works. Aussie Swissy crashed into this resistance, couple of weak closes. We're still got an 8 and 20 cross down here. So again, it may be a bullish consolidation. We may start to break up from here tomorrow. If we do, we need to be aware of that and look at that intraday charts and see if we can pick up a CBO on that one. Aussie Swissy. Got a hammer on support on this one. Aussie New Zealand. Potential head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder. Let me just draw that. So shoulder, head, shoulder, hammer. So you could actually go long this tomorrow. If we get a break of this hammer here, this, which is, I'll just check that, hang on. The break of that is 129.40. You have a stop down there at 128.70 to see if we can get back up to 131. Okay, so it's a hammer on major support. It's not a hammer with RSI, etc. That does look as if that could come up. Okay, the yen had a good day. A very bullish consolidation. 8's coming through the 200. Looked pretty weak at one stage, but 84 held, and we've closed. We're closing up here at 84.5 or just under. This looks good. A lot of resistance ahead, but very bullish pattern. If you want to get long this, you'll be buying very high, so I suggest we look for other setups. Aussie US looks very similar to the Euro US. Very bullish. Got out of touch with the 20, so we come back down to touch the 20. If we break up now above 1073, I think this could make a dash for the highs again. The euro pound. I have to say the euro is holding up much better than the pound. At the moment, this shooting star is giving a very, very small run. So the entry was 90.20, where you're 14 points in profit at the moment as we speak. I would, if you are short this, I'd bring your stop down to 90.70, and which is pretty close to your entry, and see if we can break down below the 8 tomorrow. Swissy yen, I am long a hammer on the 50 MA and the 240 minute chart. Nice close back above the 8 and the 20 on the back of this reversal bar down here. Looking to see if we can back up to the highs. It's a very strong one, and nice wave to the upside. Let's see if the Swissy yen can get back up to the highs. We talked about US dollar yen. That has triggered a swing long. Closed above the 50 MA. That looks good. I like this bottoming pattern. It looks as if it's getting ready to thrust up to 82.5. If you're not in this and you want to get long, try and get pulled back to 81 with stop down there at 80.40. US dollar CAD, I did get long this earlier on, and it just is not really performing. It's trying, but not very convincingly. So leaving that one alone. Long this one, I actually loaded up again on the pullback to this one, just at the 150.10 level. So just going to stay hold of this and see if we can close above 150.50 tomorrow and get a continuation of this move. Okay. What I would say is do check your charts a little bit later, because I am producing this video a little bit quick. It's only just gone lunchtime, just after lunchtime on Eastern Time, 2 PM Eastern Time. So do check your charts before you set these trades up. But on the face of it, this one keeps coming up from this level. It's come up from here several times. Interesting that the bars are blue as well. The colour system works very well on here. I do trust it. If these bars are blue, it's evidence that it is maintaining a key level. Alright, hope that helps. See you next update, and see you in the room tomorrow.